Guys, this is so last semester of us. Can you hear me? No, you can't. Hold on. This is so last semester of us, I'm telling you. We'll put you up here. It's the same. We'll go in the braid. How about that? How do you feel about being in the braid? You're in the braid now. You're in the braid. Click or click. Okay, so it's 12:30 on Tuesday morning, Monday night. I don't constitute a next day until you've slept. But I say it's so last semester of us because I'm doing laundry. And that's just so last semester. That's so cutesy because that's what I did on here. Last semester. I just haven't recorded myself doing laundry yet. Because I don't do laundry on Mondays. But I did today. So here are some shorts. It's a pair of shorts. Those are a pair of shorts that the hot part got on my face when I was carrying. Here's some shorts too, when I was carrying them in, because the metal is still hot. Because I just pulled these out of the dryer. So I gotta button them. What? Ow, Jesus, fuck. What have I done this week? I got sick. I was sick for a day. I ate really bad allergies. It's not fun. I don't enjoy it. You shouldn't either. But I was sickish on Thursday. I reincarnated. Life goes on. I'm standing on business. No, I just took some medicine, and then I was fine the next day. Then I went to Eufaula, Oklahoma, and it was gorgeous. I would go again, and it had just the lovely vibe of a good, lovely small town, and I had a great time. And the people I went with, I just had a great time. So that was super fun. My niece was born this week. She was born on Wednesday. She's a cutie patootie. I love her. So that's really exciting. Historically, for just in future reference, this is also the week that Charlie Kirk died. So I was in the newsroom for a while for that. Not because I was writing, just because I was just being a person in there for a little bit. Just in case they needed someone else to just be in the room where it happens. Tomorrow, I'm going to see Hamilton in theaters because they extended it from last week. Because today is September 15th. It's the first day of Hispanic Heritage Month. But they extended it from last week to cover this week as well. So I get to go see it because now I'm free. Finally. So I'm going to go watch it by myself. This Saturday, I'm going to go see Nathan Apollo, and I'm going to cry. Probably. I'm a crier. I like cry when things are happy. I honestly don't really cry when things are gut-wrenchingly sad. But I cry when things are happy, and I cry when I'm happy. I took a test last week. I took a quiz this morning. Got a good grade on the quiz. Got an interesting grade on the test. But it'll be fine. Ordered t-shirts. I got a bag of M&Ms. I painted a banner today. It was exhausting. I did small group church today, which was really fun. I'm in this little ladies group, and we talked about Ephesians 1 through 14, which that was really fun, and I enjoyed it a lot. I really like Ephesians. It's a good one. It's Paul's letter to the church of Ephesus. It's one of Paul's letters to the church of Ephesus. I think he writes another one to them specifically, but love Saul Paul. Love his born again believeriness. It's really good. I had a grilled cheese today for lunch. I got Chick-fil-A last week on Wednesday because we got let out early. We were going to go to Chick-fil-A again today, but we got let out a little too late, and we watched the line go from like a good line to 20 people past the entrance of the queue, because it's got like, are you green? What color are you? Yeah, you're green. It's got like a wiggly worm queue, and then it lines up past that, past one of the doorways, which is such a fire hazard, but it's okay. It's fine. It's not like, there's enough doors in that place, it's not a fire hazard. But we watched it, and we're like, okay, well, we're gonna go to Plaza instead. Plaza is the default because there's usually not as bad as a line, because it's like tucked away, and it's also grilled cheese and burgers, and it's insanely expensive for 2 slices of bread with cheese in the middle. My grilled cheese is $6. Yes, I still have paid for it multiple times. It's a pretty good grilled cheese. And it's like good for like the food that's there. It's a good option. Oh, this shirt is a new shirt. It's a volunteer shirt for the thing. Arts Goggle volunteers, applications opened. So if you want to volunteer at Arts Goggle, do it. I posted on both my Facebook and my Instagram encouraging people to volunteer at Arts Goggle. Even if you're not in Texas, volunteer at your local art thing. Volunteer. It's good. It's good for your soul. It's good for the soul of others. It's good for the economy. It's good for good people. It's good for bad people. If it wasn't good, they wouldn't give it as an option in court. What else? I ate some popcorn. I watched Cool Runnings yesterday, and then I asked my roommate if she knew what Cool Runnings was, and she didn't. It's okay. Oh, her birthday was this weekend, or it was last Wednesday. So I decorated our apartment, like our kitchen. These shorts are damp. I decorated our kitchen for her birthday, and it's really cute. It turned out really good. So, we had a bye week, so we didn't lose, but we didn't win either. We're 1-1 right now, which is great. It's lovely. I filmed last Monday. We lost a significant number to 3. Yay, sports. But, football's football. I got one of my friends to fix my fantasy, so it's actually good. Hi. So my fantasy, hello. Where's my face? Hello. Fix. Thank you. So, it just looks odd. It's in my braid. I'll take it out now. Just pulled apart my braid. I got one of my friends to fix my fantasy, so hopefully I might win a game. I don't know how fantasy works well enough to be like mad or happy. I don't care. It's an app where you pick adult men's names and see how well they play. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. It's only been 9 minutes. I'm so tired, and I'll probably cut this short. Let's look if there's any details specifically that I'm missing this week. If I can find my telephone. I fear I can't. I got it. You're still really close to me that you heard that whole sniffle, and I apologize greatly. That was so gross. I'm so sorry. The sunset tonight was beautiful. This was my grilled cheese. It didn't have a pool. Oh, it looks so fake. It didn't have a pool. It just kind of had like a blob. It's whatever. Let's find. I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days until I hit my 1,000 streak on Duolingo, and then I get a cake. I don't know when I'm going to actually get the cake, but I have then earned a cake. Yay. It's not a word. This is my dog. I got cute. That one. I got cute Bruno pictures this week. We did bid day stuff. I baked a cake. This is the cake I baked. It's a Coke cake, so it has marshmallows in it, and it has its own icing that you have to boil. I hated it. Well, there's a video of me talking. I got a quesadilla from my favorite Stillwater spot, Don Pibble, the food truck, on Tuesday. My high school started a podcast a couple weeks. I'm like hunched over. Let me stand up straight. My high school started a podcast, and my friends are kind of like the hosts for it, and so I listened to it. They started a couple weeks ago, but I listened to one the other day, and it's literally the cutest thing, and I adore it, and I miss my friends so much, because like I'm just like, oh, look at y'all thriving and surviving. But I have paint on my hands because I painted this evening, and I literally just came home and did laundry and was like, well, it's Monday, so let me talk to the masses. So sorry, you guys. It's a beautiful sound that everyone hates. Do not add an email address. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 videos posted on TikTok now. I have 14 followers and one number lower than 68 likes. I have 102 I didn't know how to make the pictures swipeable. So they're just on a 3-second timer. That's really funny. So I'm gonna have to learn that. So that's part of my learning how to use TikTok. So follow me on TikTok. If you ever find it. I mean, it's easy to find, so you're fine. Dancing with the Stars starts tomorrow. So that'll be so exciting. After I had a paper this week, Houston won, I think. And I'm kind of upset. I'm more so upset that now one of my friends can hold it over my head that we still haven't won. We lost 6-3. That we still haven't won a silver boot since 2016, or like the silver boot. We beat Houston earlier this year, and that's what matters. But I will get shit on it Wednesday morning. Get shit for it Wednesday morning. And I know I will, so. You know how your nose runs only at inopportune times? My nose hasn't been running all day. That's your fun fact about my life. I moved my fan, and now I wish it was facing this way because I'm cold. But that's all you get from me in my 15 minutes. I'm tired, but I am wearing my Stillwater Strong shirt, so stay Stillwater Strong. See you next week. Love ya. See ya. Bye.